Breaking news, the replacement of Celine Dion has been found, and she's from Africa. This girl's voice is beyond incredible. The way she sang, "I'm your lady and you are my man." You'd think it was Celine herself performing live. Her tone, her emotion, her power. It's pure magic. People all over the world are speechless. Her voice is shaking hearts and proving that true talent knows no borders. Listen to her now and see why everyone's calling her Africa's Celine Dion.
Whispers in the moment of love and sleepy time, a rolling past under night. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body, so I can feel each move you make. Your voice is warm.